Machining footage can show real turning, drilling, milling, and inspection operations. It does not define the part that will be quoted or accepted. The drawing remains the main technical reference. Confirm the drawing number and revision, units, datums, dimensions, tolerances, surface requirements, and any notes that change the manufacturing route. If a three-dimensional model is supplied, state how it relates to the controlled drawing and which file governs acceptance. Material input comes next. Define the material designation, product form, incoming condition, and certificate or traceability requirement. The camera cannot establish the alloy, heat identity, or material properties. Those items require controlled purchasing and material records tied to the supplied stock. The geometry influences setup strategy. Tool access, wall thickness, pockets, deep features, interrupted cuts, and the relationship between datums may change workholding and operation order. A supplier needs the complete geometry to review whether the part can be machined in one setup or requires several controlled setups. Tolerance should be connected to function and inspection. A tight number on one feature can influence how surrounding material is removed, how the part is supported, and when the feature is measured. Do not assume that every dimension requires the same inspection method or that a machining center display is the final acceptance record. Quantity changes the route as well. One prototype, a qualification batch, and a repeat production order may justify different fixtures, programming effort, inspection plans, and material preparation. State annual or repeat demand only when it is meaningful and separate immediate order quantity from a forecast. The RFQ should also define delivery scope. Include deburring, edge condition, cleaning, marking, certificate package, dimensional report, special inspection, and packing when those items are required. Requirements added after machining may create rework or records that were not captured during production. List any allowed substitutions or supplier assumptions explicitly. Silence in the RFQ should not be treated as permission to change material, tolerance, inspection, or finishing scope. This footage is manufacturing context. It does not prove that the visible stock is a particular titanium grade or that the shown part belongs to a specific customer order. Use the video to discuss tool access, setup, and process questions. Use the drawing and purchase order to define the quote. A quotable package includes the controlled drawing and model, material and stock condition, quantity, tolerance priorities, inspection scope, documents, finishing, and packing. That information is more useful than asking a supplier to price a video frame.